So for his skin, everyone, this is too hard and too dry for the machines to be processed. So the usual skin that are used to be bags, belts, and wallets are the skin of the saltwater crocodiles, which ranges about 3 to 5 years old only. So again, Leo here died at the age of 60. So this is just for display use only. But I just want to clarify everyone that all of the crocodile sisig, crocodile tapa that they are selling within Palawan, they are not from here. So they are all from Permitted Farm in Teresa Rizal, and that is in Metro Manila and in Davao City. So this facility, everyone, is just for conservation purposes only and a special project of the DENR to rescue also here in the province of Palawan. Okay? So if before Rio here was the largest crocodile caught alive in the wild, now Lolong holds the record ako. So Lolong has a length of 20.3 feet or 6 meters, just a meter longer than Leo over here. But Lolong is not from here and he was never here. He is from Agusan del Sur and that is in Mindanao. And just like Rio, everyone, Lolong also died due to stress, and that is stress related to his environment. Okay, so if where is Lolong right now, he is now displayed in the National Museum. Okay, our next stop, everyone, is the hatchling house like crocodiles na po tayo. But before we go there, please listen carefully, everyone, because like crocodiles na po tayo, please do not put anything inside the tanks of the young crocodiles, most especially your fingers. Do not tap the tanks and also the nets in order for them to move. Because even though they are young, they can still jump, bite, and really cut off your fingers. Cameras, it's okay to take some pictures, but please everyone turn off the flash. And lastly, once we're inside the hatchling house, please be quiet po to minimize the stress of the young crocodiles because they are still in their growth development stage. Okay? So again, if you want to take some more pictures in this area, it's okay to come back here after the tour, especially for the newcomers. If you have any questions, please ask me after the tour. And also, for those of you who still have their tickets with PWRCC copy, please give it there on the front desk. Thank you so much. Let's go to the hatchling house.
Mati ka mo ba, mati?
Okay, so this is
Go with your party ha, ang kamot mo kay ang tabon na karon. Ben, mauna ta dito para kabati ka mo. Una dito una.
August 4, 1990.
Kamot mo ikay ha. Ang kamot, ang kamot. Wala na. Ay. Ang grabe. There you go ka, boy. Ay, sorry. Sige. Ano pa? Pero tanong.
Tingnan po natin yung iba po. Okay, so meron po tayong crocodile po na makikita po na halos kasing haba na po ni Rio. Yung skeleton po doon sa briefing area, na buhay pa po. And later on by the exit po, may photo booth area po doon. So pwede po kayong humawak po ng buhay na buhaya at magpa-picture po sa kanya. Okay? Free holding naman po siya, nakatake din naman po yung mouse, kaya safe naman po hawakan din. Okay? So,
Si Jojo din nga.
So dito sa wala po tayong alligators. Dahil ang alligators po ay matatagpuan lamang po sa temperate countries, katulad po sa United States and China. Crocodiles po matatagpuan po sa tropical countries, katulad po dito sa ating bansa. At sa physical structure po nila, ang alligators po ay may palapad ng nguso or U-shaped snout. Sa crocodiles po, triangular or V-shaped snout. Kapag nakasara naman po ang kanilang bibig, sa top teeth lamang po ang makikita sa alligators, and then top and bottom teeth ang makikita po or naka-expose sa crocodile. So, formal smile po and then wacky smile. Makikita din po yung illustration po doon sa pathway po kanina. Okay? So, excuse me everyone, let's go to the big crocodiles na po. If you want to come back there after the tour, it's okay. But for now, let's go to the big crocodiles na po. So, those hatchlings that you have seen inside the hatchling house, everyone, are about 1 to 5 years old. And then after 5 years of them being here, as much as we can, we release them back to the wild, to the different sanctuaries all over the Philippines, most especially the Philippine freshwater ones, because they're already critically endangered. But then again, that's as much as we can only. That's not every year, that's not every month, okay? So these birds that you are going to see on this side, these are the endemic species of birds here in Palawan, and most of them po were confiscated from illegal traders and can no longer survive in the wild on their own because they're already highly domesticated when they were confiscated. So once we're up here, everyone, so since big crocodiles na po tayo, and I'm not joking po, please naman po, be careful with your things not to fall inside the fence because if it falls down there, I am not so sure how to get it back for you po ng buong-buo, okay? Please do not stomp your feet, wala pong magpapapadyak sa taas, and please do not jump, wala pong magtatatalon sa taas, okay? Thank you so much po. If you will notice po, everyone, they are really not moving po during daytime, and that is because they are nocturnal animals, so meaning they are most active at nighttime, para mga paniki and owls, okay? So we also have their names on the wall po, so if you want to know more about them, you can read them naman po. So here in the facility, everyone, we feed them twice a week only because they do have slow metabolism. So what we feed them is chicken, fish, pork, about 10 to 15 kilograms of meat, but again, that's twice a week only. Because again, they have slow metabolism. So in fact, you know what po, they can actually survive without eating for 6 months up to 1 year. Okay? Only 10% lang po ng kanilang body weight ang kaya po nilang makonsumo. Okay? So this one over here on the third pen, everyone. So this is one of our largest crocodile here in the facility, and this one is Mac Big Mac. So Mac over here is a male saltwater crocodile which is more than 60 years old, 60, 17 feet long, 17. So almost same size or same length as Rio, the skeleton over there in the briefing area. Again, Mac is one of our largest crocodile here in the facility. So did you know po that crocodiles can live up to 100 years old, and that is in human years, okay? So Mac is already considered as a senior or lolo crocodile na po, okay? So again, they can live up to 100 years po, that is in human years. Okay, so this one over here is Surigao, from Surigao del Norte, next to Kalayaan. And if you will notice po, yung parang number 3, the number 3 like sign or the heart shape at the end of their snout, that one po is their nose. Again, yung parang number 3 o yung heart shape po sa dulo ng kanilang nguso, yan po ang kanilang ilong. Okay? So they can go underwater without breathing po for 2 hours straight. That's for the adults, and for the juveniles, about 45 minutes. And if a crocodile has his mouth open po, That only means he is cooling off, just releasing the heat of his body. Again, kapag nakabuka po ang bibig, ibig sabihin po nun, siya po ay nagpapalamig. Okay? So lahat po yan mga saltwater crocodiles, and sila po yung asin yung malaki, just like Lolo. So they can grow up to 4 to 7 meters, so 4 to 5 for the females, and 6 to 7 for the males. So mas malalaki pa rin po talaga sila lalaking saltwater crocodile. So this one over here on the last left pen, everyone. So this is an example po of the Philippine freshwater crocodile, which is about 7 years old, 2 meters long. So again, this species ay dito lamang po sa ating bansa matatagpuan and sadly critically endangered. They can grow up to just 2 to 3 meters only, so typical Filipino size height-wise still much smaller, mas maliit, okay? So this is the end of our guided tour, everyone. On the right side po is the reptile house, mga ahas po. Nature park, that's the self-guided tour. And then on the left side is the exit, and also where you can hold the live crocodile and take some pictures with it. Thank you so much po and have a great day, everyone. Maraming salamat po. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.